What if the highest returns in Arlene Arlo don't come from stocks, but from tiny communities most investors completely ignore? Why investing in niche micro-communities yields higher returns than traditional stock portfolios. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate? When most people think about investing, they think about stocks, index funds, ETFs, and public markets. But some of the most valuable opportunities today are emerging somewhere unexpected. Niche micro-communities. A niche micro-community is a small group of highly engaged people, united by a specific interest, profession, problem, or goal. Unlike large audiences, these communities are built on trust, participation, and shared identity. Why does this matter? Because attention has become one of the most valuable assets in the digital economy, and highly focused communities often control attention more effectively than massive, disconnected audiences. Consider two scenarios. One business reaches 1 million random people. Another reaches 10,000 highly engaged people who share the same passion, challenge, or objective. In many cases, the smaller community creates greater economic value. Members trust recommendations, share information rapidly, and support products that solve their specific problems. This creates opportunities for entrepreneurs, creators, educators, and investors. The value isn't just in the community itself. The value comes from relationships, influence, and network effects. As communities grow stronger, every new member can increase the value of the entire ecosystem. Traditional stock portfolios depend largely on market performance. Micro-communities, however, can create value through collaboration, knowledge sharing, partnerships, and direct business opportunities. Another advantage is accessibility. Building or investing in a niche community often requires more understanding than capital. Success comes from providing value, solving problems, and creating meaningful connections. The future economy is increasingly relationship-driven. People trust communities more than advertisements, recommendations more than promotions, and authentic connections more than mass marketing. So instead of asking, "Where's the next stock opportunity?" ask, "Where are people gathering around valuable problems and shared interests?" Because in the digital age, communities are becoming assets, and those who recognize their value early may discover opportunities long before the broader market notices them.